Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a multiple new Gmail accounts without having to use the phone verification. Remember, the phone verification is a method from Google simply to verify that first of all you're not a robot or machine, and the second one is simply to limit the number of accounts created from one individual account. Let me show you the biggest tip that no one talks about and very few people know about. So before you even begin creating a new account over here on Gmail, right? I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at the three dots. Everything has to do with your clearing browsing history, which is over here. If you scroll down, you will see there is an option clear browsing history, clear browsing data, okay? You want to click on this and you want to execute on this simply because in this way you will no longer leave any tracks behind your what you previously searched for, what you previously saved, where did you enter, and what is the device that you're currently using by opening the same window. For example, the window that you're currently on is connected to your previous browsing history. But when you delete your previous browsing history, well, your device will no longer be connected when you reopen the same page. Remember, every new account that you currently log in can create up to 5 new Gmail accounts without having the usual double verification with the phone number. Your strategy will be this. First of all, you're going to clear your browsing data over here. Then you're going to create 5 new accounts, and then each account then you're going to use to log in through incognito over here, new incognito. You use one of your new accounts that you created, and then this new account will create another 5 accounts. Did you follow this? So first step, you clear your browsing data. Second step, you reopen the same Gmail page. You open the page, you create 5 new accounts. Then you open new incognito page, and then you start logging in with your first of your new accounts. This first new account will create 5 new accounts. Then you're gonna close the page, clear the browsing data, open a new incognito, use the second account that you create that will create another 5 new accounts. This is your strategy. This is how it's going to work, my dear friends. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.